Hi, I'm Tennille, creator of Beauty in the City. So we had a really good idea to do makeup tutorials with style looks. So first thing we're going to do is a quick style haul and take a look at some of the pieces that we have. So we picked up some good outfits. I've picked these out at Bloomingdale's as well as Zara, two of my favorite stores for fun shirts for spring. And then I've also got some bracelets because I'm a bracelet addict. Really accessories addict. But I'm honing in on bracelets the last couple of months. It's just my new thing, right? And so we'll take a look at what the Beauty in the City styles are, meaning what kind of makeup look will we use with these things. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is a pretty dress that I got from Zara. It's very flirty. It's got a little undergarment here that covers up, and then it's a little see-through here, but you can wear a pretty black bra. This is such a fun outfit for summer and spring nights. What I would do with this is I would use the Beauty in the City eye kit, right? And so with the eye kit, I would go diamond on the inner corner of my eye with our diamond eyeliner. I would also use Ninja, as I have it on now, to line the waterline as well as on top of the lash line. And then, of course, the Beauty in the City Mascara, just to extend my lashes and make them, I wouldn't call them fatty, but flutter a bit, especially when you're expressive. So it's cute. And then I would also go in with the bronzer in the V-neck area just to give myself a little summer glow. And then to bronze, you know, I like to bronze over here along my temple, in the contour, and then along my jawline, just to give a very chiseled look, but also give a nice pop to the contour on my face. And I think that would go well on a spring night or a summer night with that dress. Now, I would like to take a look at my next dress. This is also from Zara. This is a cute dress, flirty. Not quite sleeveless, but you've got these spaghetti string straps. It's a little shorter, but it does cover. It's got a poof to it, so it's super cute, and a belt. This type of look, I think, again, is great for a spring night or summer night when it's warm here in New York. In the spring, you're not gonna get that many 75 or 80 degree nights. It gets really cool in the night. But you could always pair this with a cute pair of black leggings or jeans and still have a fun outfit. What I would do with this, because you're showing so much of your, your neckline and such, what I would do is I would use this Beauty in the City Face and Body Shimmer, and I would shimmer all over here, and then I would also apply it after I finish my makeup. The shimmer would be a must for that outfit. Another thing I would do, part of what I've done for the haul with accessories is I picked up a couple of bracelets. That's such a bracelet outfit because I like to wear at least my gold necklace, but then I would also pair it with one of these cute bracelets that I picked up as well, and I picked these up at Banana. And then I would also do, well, I would definitely bring my Beauty in the City Tea Mist. As you can see, it gets used a lot. I use this after I set my makeup, before I set my makeup, and it also is a great refresher. I can just see in the summer needing this to just refresh yourself when you're out for a beautiful summer night, but this is gonna be a must. And then I would also go with the Beauty in the City eye kit. I mean, it's just essential. I would actually use the metallic, the gray, and smoke my eyes out, and then use the Ninja and come into the crease and then smoke as well. I feel like that dress would go very well with a lot of drama. And so we've got, the Ninja here, and so just using the eyeliners to do that. Okay, let's go to the next outfit. This is a cute shirt. Very good for spring, also good for summer. You could totally wear this with shorts or a skirt, but in the spring you could totally wear this over jeans. What I like about the color is this is just such a nice like pop of color, the pastel for spring. And then you've got, again, these sort of spaghetti straps, but I like how they, tie at the top. It's just very girly and very feminine. So for this look, I probably would do more of a natural look with Beauty in the City. I probably wouldn't line my top lash with Ninja. I would still go along the waterline, and then I would just do the Beauty in the City mascara. So I would be using the eye kit. It's the daily essential, right? The Beauty in the City eye kit. I would also go in with Beauty in the City lip liner, maybe something a little neutral, similar to what I have on, which is the Spice. It's more of a warm tone brown, but it's got a little bit of that pinkish peaches in it as well. And then go in with the BNTC lip gloss just to give a little glow to it, but highlight the natural look. I wouldn't do any shadows, and I wouldn't bronze. I would actually go a little bit with the glitter stick just to highlight my forehead, my the bridge of my nose, and then also on the base of my cheeks. Then what I would do is I would just along my neck and chest area, just put a little bit of the BNTC Shimmer spray to get a little shimmer at night. I would also do it on my arms, just so that I'm getting a lot of shimmer and color out of it, and I think that would really highlight that color. From one of my final looks I'll be sharing with you guys, I picked this cutie out, the Bloomingdale's, and I just love the sleeves, and then you have a really nice tight snatch look here on the torso area. This gives so much playroom for something like the bronzer. The only thing is that it's white. So what I would do is I would bronze the face and maybe just the center of the chest and finish off with the BNTC Shimmer Spray. But these two would be my essentials, and I would totally use it on my face as well. And again, as I said, I like to go into the contour. I like to go along my temples, along my chin with the bronzer. Sometimes I also put a little bit of bronzer on my eyelid. It's just a great double duty because BNTC, we're vegan makeup, 2-minute glam. So using one product in many places on your face and body is a great way to get 2-minute glam. It's fast and it works well. I would, with that outfit, I feel it's so flirty. The sleeves are so cute and puffy and noticeable. You want to be noticed and stand out. I would also use the BNTC eye kit. I would use Ninja as well as the mascara. And then I would also go in with diamonds. And I might just, do like a line of diamonds, something really flirty, we're all doing with our eyeliner now, just for fun, and kind of, draw on the actual lid, on my upper lid. So those are some of the ideas of how I use BNTC with my spring looks. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed picking up these spring looks. I also enjoyed thinking about how I use my BNTC products. And we're gonna get to it with more makeup tutorials and style.